heard that you never wanted to be labeled as a political band, but your lyrics are all political, and after all...
Oh, you know what? Before you even finish the question, everything's politics.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so...
Yeah, and after all you...
What you're asking, you're being political right now.
Yeah, I like to be political. And after all, you toured with Rage Against the Machine. Why don't you want to be a political band?
No, they asked us to play with them.
Oh, and you said okay.
Yeah,
yeah.
Wouldn't you?
No.
Of course, of course.
We're a band that makes music, you know, and it's up to you to decide what you. If you want to think it's political, then that's your opinion. You know, if you, at the end of the day, there's good music and bad music. Okay. You know, political music, this music, that music, it's either good or bad. You know what I mean? So.
So, how would you describe the sound of Asian Dub Foundation from '93 till now?
It's always been an Asian Dub Foundation sound. There's no other sound like it.
Of course.
So it's always been Asian Dub Foundation, maybe different voices. You know, as music changes, you know, we evolve as well as musicians, and we have different influences. You travel, you hear different things all around the world, you know, different styles. And as you grow, you know, your music grows, but it still stays as Asian Dub Foundation.
Always different, always the same.
Do you think that alternative music nowadays has enough support from the media?
But what do you mean by alternative music? Because everyone's got different ideas of alternative music.
Okay, music that is not made for the masses, or it's made with passion.
Well, but are you saying that no music made for the masses is made with passion? Because I'd have to disagree with you.
No. But
do you think all music made for the masses is necessarily without passion?
Are you talking about manufactured music?
Yeah.
Like, you know, like X Factor and whatever.
Yeah, and singers who only sing, and they don't write the lyrics alone, and the music, and the singers, they have them with managers, and they decide.
Yeah, I think what you're saying is a bit of a myth. The idea that up there's this big evil corporate stuff that's pushing out music which is all awful, all manipulated and something like that, and then down here there's all these people full of integrity and things like that. It's not like that, you know what I mean? Some of the groups that you know, like some people, like say the group we played with last night, My Chemical Romance, a lot of middle American teenagers probably think they're kind of like alternative and underground and stuff like that, but there's a huge machine behind them. You know what I mean?
They're not alternative.
No, but a lot of the people there, their fans, do think so, right? And also, like someone like Beyonce is a brilliant writer and a brilliant musician, totally in control of her career. She's the most successful artist in the world, but she can be absolutely brilliant and write some fantastic songs and fantastic lyrics. So I don't know where you're coming from, you know what I mean? To me, I don't look at it as alternative or blah blah. I was just like, actor, good or bad.